The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG 1 represents the pinnacle of performance luxury sedans, blending cutting-edge technology with raw power and refined elegance. From the moment you see it, the S63 AMG 1 makes an unmistakable impression. Its bold design features a long, sculpted body with an aggressive AMG-specific grille, sleek digital LED headlamps, and aerodynamic details that balance sportiness with class. The black exterior, especially, gives it a menacing yet elegant presence on the road or in a showroom. Under the hood, this powerhouse is equipped with a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering exhilarating acceleration and exceptional responsiveness. The all-wheel drive system, 4MATIC Plus, and AMG performance tuning provide not only brute strength but also remarkable control, whether you're cruising on highways or taking tight corners. The engine's roar, combined with the smooth yet firm suspension setup, gives a perfect blend of sport and sophistication. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with an environment of pure luxury. Every inch is meticulously designed with high-end materials such as Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trims. The seats are not just ventilated and massaging, they're designed to cocoon you in comfort for long drives. The ambient lighting, customizable in 64 colors, adds a futuristic and calming ambience to the interior, especially during night drives. Tech-wise, the S63 AMG 1 is packed with Mercedes' latest M-Box infotainment system, including a massive touchscreen, voice assistant, and AR-based navigation. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you real-time performance data if desired. Advanced safety and driver assist features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. In essence, the 2025 S63 AMG 1 is more than just a car, it's an experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting in the rear seat, it delivers on all fronts: power, luxury, innovation, and prestige. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them.